Today I'm going to show you how to add Google Calendar to XTiles in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to bring your schedule into one place so you can stay organized, manage your tasks better, and keep everything connected inside your workspace. If you work with events, deadlines, or planning boards, this integration can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open XTiles and look for your account icon. This is usually in the top corner of your dashboard, and it's where you'll find your account and workspace settings. Click on that account icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, find and select Integrations. This is the section where XTiles lets you connect external tools and services to your workspace. After you click Integrations, scroll or search until you see Google Calendar. When you find it, click on Google Calendar to open the connection settings. Now you'll see an option that says Connect Google Calendar. Click that button to begin linking your calendar account to XTiles. At this point, XTiles will ask you to choose the Gmail account you want to connect. Select the correct Gmail account from the list. If you use more than one Google account, make sure you pick the one that contains the calendar you actually want to sync. After selecting your account, Google will bring up a permission screen. This is where you authorize XTiles to access your Google Calendar data. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow or Continue to approve the connection. Once the authorization is complete, the integration should finish setting up automatically. And that's it. Google Calendar is now connected to XTiles. From here, you can start using your calendar alongside your notes, boards, and planning tools so everything stays in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.